Google is secretly use up a lot of memory on your smartphone and you don't know. Sometimes these accumulate a lot and you may be wondering, I don't have photo, I don't have video, I don't have this and that on my phone. But the storage on my phone is reducing, all the time is accumulating and you do a lot of things to reduce this space but you don't know it. What if I tell you that Google Chrome is the reason behind this? Now, if you really want to clear space on your device, mainly on your Android phone, and have enough space so that you're able to use your phone perfectly, then sit back and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and give us a thumb up, and we need your comment in the comment section. Go ahead and open Google Chrome on your device. Now tap on the three dots at top of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on settings. Now scroll to the base of this place until you see site settings. Tap on it. Now scroll down to the base of this page until you see data storage. Tap on it. Now here is what you see. Here every site you visited keeps some files for you. Konga 41 megabyte, Upwork 50 megabytes, a lot of them here. You can see keep scrolling as you visit this site, they keep some amount of data for you and these accumulate and occupy space on your Android device. So what you need to do now is to clear this and always come to this particular place and do it over time. Now tap on this delete all data button. Now you can see that this is about 129 megabytes. It is very small, right? But imagine you've been using your Google Chrome browser for up past 1 year and you've not been coming to this place and clear this, because I do clear this time to time on my phone. And you might accumulate gigabytes of data here. Now what you need to do, this will delete 129 megabytes of data and could stored by the site. You'll be sent out of all sites. Any offline data will be deleted. Data that affect ad personalization is also deleted. So the only issue here is that if you log into any website, make sure that you have your login detail in space, because by deleting this button, you're going to be logged out of that website and thereby free up space on your device. So tap on delete. Now let's wait a few seconds for this to be deleted. Boom. You can see the data has been deleted. With this, you've been able to free up some space on your device. So share it with your family, friends, and let them do the same, because you are helping their phone or smartphone to operate very fast. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.